guys, once again, welcome to Luxor. Now, we are very excited to bring you guys a new feature that has been requested a lot by you, which is payment split. This feature works fantastic for people like partner with somebody, bought a couple of machines and want to split revenue in half, or if you are a mining farm that wants to take your hosting fee directly from the revenue of your miners. So it's pretty easy. Let's do it. So first of all, we gotta log in and go to the sub-account management section and click on wallet. Once you have clicked on wallet, you will see this. Over here, you have to select which wallet you are going to add, which among others, Ethereum, Dash, Bitcoin, etc. You can select whatever you prefer, okay? It is very important over here, guys, to underline the following. Whatever change you are going to be making, first of all, it's ruled by the thresholds, okay? In this case, the minimum threshold for Bitcoin is 0.001 Bitcoin, and the auto withdrawal period would be from 1 hour to 24 hours. Whatever change you do over here, it's going to affect all of the wallets, okay? And as well, it will be locking your payouts during a period of 24 hours for your own security. Click Create New Wallet, name it according to your own preference, okay? And add a payout address. Once you have added all of the wallets that you have, you can do it up to 5 wallets per sub-account. You will notice that it will have a red dot. This red dot is indicated of your wallet being locked for 24 hours, and you have a bar over here that will diminish whenever you're closer to that unlocked period. You can split percentages however you please, but make sure that this amount has to add up 100. If by any reason doesn't add up 100, you are going to be getting this error, or if it's above 100, you'll be getting this error as well. Once you have it, it's okay. You just have to wait for your wallet to be unlocked. And how does it look like whenever you get a payment split, okay? So you gotta go to your revenue tab, and in this case, I had this payment split in two. You will notice that on the same day, you have 2 transactions with the same transaction ID with different percentages, being this one the larger, whereas this one the smaller. Thank you very much, guys. We're pretty excited to bring you this, and stay tuned. Bye.